Oh my god, I love this song.
Our next story jolted the blogosphere this time yesterday that yes, Snooki may soon be a mom.
Snooki's gonna be such a good mom. Nicki Minaj's lyrics are so meaningful. Washing the dishes is so exhilarating. Who's One Direction?
I'm constipated!
I hope MySpace comes back.
So guess what, dude? I get to like drink Pepto-Bismol. You're like totally jelly, aren't you?
My internet's working way too fast.
I think I'm gonna put my seatbelt on.
I'm just gonna sit in the street for a little bit.
Oh my god, there's a cop coming. Everyone take off your seatbelts. Can you, scoot your seat back? I don't like legroom.